Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dear. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about children who are being overweight or obese, or your child who is having a weight more than he or she should be having. So, being overweight or obese during childhood, is it an illness? Yes, of course. Now it is considered an illness. We as mothers like it very much when our children eat without bothering us, and we make all the things that they ask for, all the food that they like, and we prepare it the way they love to eat them. But sometimes it will be the sole reason for your child to end up being overweight. So it's nothing to be ashamed of, or to be shy, or to be reluctant to go and see your doctor if you feel that your child is putting on more weight than usual. Sometimes mothers may not be knowing. Children in their early adolescence, when they are 10 or 12 years old, face many psychological issues or mental problems because of this. They are being bullied at school. Children at this age are already going through a drastic change in their body because this is the age that they are attaining their age. In addition to that, being fat is an added headache or a mental trauma to them. And I think it is your responsibility as mothers or parents to help your child who is going through this mental trauma all by himself or herself. Do you know that more than 75% of children who are obese or overweight end up being obese adults? Yes, of course. This is something you should take very seriously. But there is a positive point as well. If we identify these children at an early age, if we correct their food pattern and their physical activity, they will easily get onto the right track. There are two reasons for this. The first thing is, the reason for us to get fat is the fat cells that are being formed in our body. First, the number of fat cells increases, then the size of the fat cells that are already formed increase. They bulge, they accumulate the fat and they increase in size. So in childhood, when the child is putting on weight, at the first place, it's the number of fat cells that increases. And once these fat cells are formed, they are never being destroyed. We can only decrease the size of them, or we can only shrink the fat cell. We cannot destroy a fat cell once that is formed. So that is very important for us to prevent these fat cells being formed during the childhood. And the second reason is, children are a group of people who are growing. Their height is increasing. So when we correct their food pattern and their lifestyle, it is much easier for us to get their BMI or the weight into the correct place. So how can we identify these children who are at an overweight stage or an obese stage? We can do it with the weight chart of the child. When we take the chart that we use to mark the child's weight according to his age, if the child is weight according to his age is on the purple zone, he or she is having a high risk of being overweight. Or if the child's weight was in the yellow zone or in the green zone, and it is going up drastically, crossing all the lines without going parallel to the line of the graph, so that child is also at high risk of being obese or being fat. We can confirm this diagnosis of obesity or overweight from the chart that we use to mark the child's weight according to his height or length. So in this chart, if your child's weight for length is in the purple zone, if it is in the light purple zone, the child is overweight, and if it is in the dark purple zone, the child is obese. So that's how we confirm the diagnosis of being obese or overweight. So what are the reasons for this? As I told you before, the main reason is the unhealthy diet, too much food, and lack of physical activity or exercise. That is the main reason for our child to be overweight or obese. And the second thing, it can be due to their genetic problems or some hormonal issues. So that is why it is essential to take your child to a doctor or your pediatrician. So what are the complications or the dangers of being obese or overweight? There are many. I will list out the main things for you. The first thing is they can develop diabetes at a very early age. If you notice your child neck is getting a blackish discoloration, that can be a sign of your child developing a resistance to the insulin hormone, which helps to lower your blood glucose levels. So this can be an alarming sign that your child is developing the condition diabetes. And the blood cholesterol levels can rise in these children, leading them to the condition called fatty liver. They can also have high blood pressure as well. If your child is snoring when they are sleeping, it also can be due to this condition of obesity. If your child is having something like bronchial asthma or wheezing, it can get worsened because of this condition. And of course, these children are at the age of attaining their age. This can be delayed due to obesity. And if your child is a female child, he or she can have irregular menstruation cycles because of this. So if you notice that your child is gaining too much weight, and if you are told by a doctor or medical professional that he or she is having obesity or is overweight, you should take your child to a pediatrician or a medical nutritionist to get proper medical advice and help your child. So it's nothing to be ashamed of to take your child to a medical professional. So I think this video was useful to you. If you like to watch more videos like this, you can always subscribe my channel. If you have any queries or doubts regarding your nutrition or your child's nutrition, you can always comment on the comment section. Until we meet again in another video, see you. I'm Dr. Dale.